burping a little bit. This is the first video in, well, I wouldn't call it a series, but like the first video in a group that's going to be like burping in different places, like burping in my bedroom, which is this one, burping in my backyard, burping at the park, burping in just different places. So I'll be like saying different words or something and all that. Alright, well, on the drink. No more. Ah, it's good. Yes, I keep going.
Burp, bounce, burp, bounce.
Wow. It's hard to keep going. Last one. Right. Wow, that was good. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Again, I'm going to continue with the series. Not series, but group. Probably next is going to be in my backyard. See ya!